Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Kerala chicken curry. First take 1 kilogram of chicken, 4 medium onions, 2 tomatoes, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, Kashmiri chili powder 4 teaspoon, coriander powder 2.5 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 2.5 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1.5 teaspoon, whole black pepper 1.5 teaspoon. Thinly slice the onions. First we have to grind fennel seeds and whole black pepper in a grinder. Take a pan and heat it. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add some mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Now add the thinly sliced onions and saute it till it becomes light brown in color. Now add all the masalas. Now add the ground fennel seeds and whole black pepper and saute it. Now add the ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Now cut tomato into small pieces and add it to the mix and saute it. Close the pan for the tomato to get cooked well. You can even break the tomatoes. Add enough salt. Now add the chicken pieces and mix it till the chicken pieces are coated with the masala. Now close the lid and let it cook for around 45 minutes. After 45 minutes the chicken curry is ready. You can switch off the flame. Transfer it to a serving bowl. You can have this curry with rice or chapati. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Like, share and comment. Bye.